See question number 5. Question number 4 is homework. ABC and DBC are two isosceles triangles on the same base BC. They are given in the diagram. See figure 7.33. Show that angle ABD equal to angle ACD. So first let us draw the diagram. ABC and BDC are two isosceles triangles. ABC and BDC are two isosceles triangles on the same base BC. So AB and AC, these two sides are equal, and BD and CD are equal, isn't it? For proving this, what they ask you to prove? AB, given that, first you write given. What is given? Triangle ABC and triangle BDC are isosceles triangles. Okay. So triangle ABC and triangle BDC are isosceles triangle. They ask you to prove that. What we have to prove, children? To prove angle ABD is equal to angle ACD. So for proving this result, I am doing one construction, join AD. So what is the construction we are doing? Then it is easy for us to prove the result. Join AD. Then proof. So for proving this, I am considering two triangles. What are the two triangles I am considering? Triangle ABD and triangle ACD. So write, consider triangle ABD and triangle ACD. So in triangle ABD and ACD, first AB equal to what? AC. AB equal to AC. That is given. Same manner, what about BD? BD equal to CD. That also given in the question data, because these two triangles are isosceles triangle. So we can get BD equal to CD. Then what is the common side here? AD, isn't it? So AD equal to AD, that is common. So see, a triangle's three sides are equal to the another triangle corresponding three sides. Then we can say that these two triangles are congruent by which congruency? SSS congruency. Therefore, triangle ABD is congruent to triangle ACD by SSS congruency. Okay. So these two triangles are congruent, means automatically their corresponding parts are equal. So what about angle ABD? That is same as angle ACD. That only they ask you to prove. Hence the proof. Okay. Understood clearly? Look at the next question, question number 6. Triangle ABC is an isosceles triangle in which AB equal to AC, side BA is produced to D such that AD equal to AB. Show that angle BCD is right angle. Okay. So first, what is given? Triangle ABC is an isosceles triangle, they are given, isn't it? That means AB equal to AC and the side BA produced to meet to D such that AC is equal to AD. So we are having two isosceles triangle. What are the two isosceles triangle? Triangle ABC and triangle ACD. Okay. Because these two sides are equal, same manner in this triangle, these two sides are equal. So we are having two isosceles triangle. Using this only we have to prove that angle BCD, this angle must be 90 degree. Okay, angle BCD we must prove that it is 90 degree. For proving this, first you must see that, children, ABC is an isosceles triangle, AB equal to AC. So what is the isosceles triangle theorem says? angle opposite to equal sides of an isosceles triangle are equal, isn't it? So AB equal to AC means the opposite angles are angle ABC. That angle, the angle B equal to angle C. That is the meaning. That is angle ABC is equal to angle ACB. Okay. The same manner, AC equal to AD. These two sides are equal in this triangle. This also an isosceles triangle. So the opposite angles must be what? Angle ADC. AC sides opposite angle is ADC. Same manner, AD sides opposite angle is angle ACD. So that only given that AC is equal to AD implies angle ADC is equal to angle ACD. Then what we have to do means the left side of the two equation we must add it. What is the left side of the first one? Angle ABC, isn't it? So angle ABC plus angle ADC is equal to the right side. Angle ACB plus angle ACD. Okay. Then you must see that the right side of the equation ACB, this angle, E angle ACB, this angle plus angle ACD. E angle could put here, total angle we will get, isn't it? So what is the angle we will get? Angle BCD. Okay. So angle ACB plus angle ACD, we will get angle BCD. The left side is angle ABC plus angle ADC. So see that angle ABC is same as what? Angle DBC, no children? Because D is standing on the same. If BA is extending, we are getting a point D on the same line. So angle ABC is same as what? Angle DBC. Okay. The same manner angle ADC. ADC is same as what? Angle BDC. Okay. So I am replacing angle ABC by angle DBC and angle ADC by angle BDC. The right side will not change because the addition of these two we will get angle BCD. So next I am considering a triangle BDC. Okay, this big triangle I am considering. So what is the sum of three angles of a triangle? 180 degree, isn't it? So angle DBC plus angle BCD plus angle CDB equal to 180. Okay, but two angles it is there in this question data itself. Okay, so we will get angle DBC plus angle BDC is in the left side is equal to angle BCD in the right side. So what I am doing means I am adding angle BCD on both sides. Okay, so if I am adding BCD on both sides, we will get a big triangle DBC. Okay, all the three angles of triangle DBC we will get. So angle DBC plus angle BDC plus angle BCD is equal to, the right side is BCD plus BCD. So BCD plus BCD means 2 times angle BCD, isn't it? The left side is the sum of three angles of triangle DBC. So sum of three angles of any triangle we know the value as angle sum property as 180 degree. So 180 is equal to 2 times angle BCD. So angle BCD is equal to 180 divided by 2 is equal to 90 degree. That only they ask you to prove. So hence the result.